Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are installing an axle back exhaust on the MX5. Stick around. Let's get a quick cold start to check what she sounds like stock, and then we're gonna get into it. Okay, we're here at Powerflow Exhausts to get this thing installed, so let's get this done. We are back and it is done, and I think the guys at Powerflow did a great job. Very nice and clean install. It looks amazing. We kept the quite OEM look. The tip is the same design, same look. It's a little bit bigger than the stock one, just to make it a little bit more aggressive. But let's fire this up and see what she sounds like. I think that sounds quite nice, not too loud, not too over the top, so I think it suits the car well, and it's a good step towards doing the rest of the exhaust if we're going to go ahead and maybe do a decat and maybe into the headers, you know, take it all the way, just do the whole thing. But for now, the axle back part is going to work out just fine for me, and that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and then I will see you guys on the next one. See ya.